Hello everyone, welcome to the daily forecast on pound dollar. Today is Monday, September 13th. This video is brought to you by Finteria Markets. Please check our website. We offer the best trading conditions for Forex traders on the popular MT5 platform. We have recently added a few analytical tools, monthly volatility, FX risk aversion. So I'm going to start first of all with winners and losers, and we're going to pay attention to the pound dollar specifically. First, let's look at the last 8 hours. So we can see some strength behind the US dollar and weakness behind the euro. Probably this can be explained by the technical factors because we had a breakout of 118 on the charts, as you can see here. So let's review the situation on the weekly chart because I would like to show you that the British pound was one of the strongest currencies over the last week. This is mainly due to the comments of the governor of Bank of England. He said that the minimum conditions for a tighter policy are met, and four members of the committee have the same opinion. So this is a very hawkish sign, in my opinion, and probably we will have the first rate hike in the upcoming meetings. Maybe not the next one, but in the future we actually might have the first rate hike. Anyway, it doesn't matter that there will be a lot of rate hikes because still there are many issues, many problems. Like the economy of the UK is much behind other countries. It didn't recover fully, so there's a lot of job that needs to be done. Anyways, we can say that the current sentiment is pretty positive for the British pound. So let's switch to the economic calendar. There will be a lot of data from UK. So there's nothing expected for today. Maybe the only interesting news is going to be consumer inflation expectations, but nothing that can influence the markets. So we will have a lot of data from the UK, including unemployment rate, including inflation numbers from the US and also from Great Britain. So this week is going to be about the data from the UK and from the US. And later next week, we will have the interest rate decision. So I think that's going to be very interesting to watch. It's going to be September 23rd. So on September 22nd, we are having the FOMC decision. And the next day, we will have the interest rate decision by Bank of England. So there will be more data this week. And we're not expecting to have a rate hike. Anyways, I think we can hear a lot of bullish comments, especially if the data will be supporting. So let's switch to the charts. First of all, I'm going to start with the daily chart. Here it still looks neutral in some way. We kind of failed to break 139. Let's switch to 4-hour charts. Here we can see the tendency. Actually, we see that the tendency is much stronger. We had a really strong impulse. Of course, this movement actually cancels the previous uptrend. So right now we are in a bearish phase at the moment. But still, I would say that I expect this to be more constrained than on euro. We have few support levels right here. And also later, I think that we can expect a rebound in the price. I expect more resistance from the British pound than from euro. As you can see, even euro is falling much stronger than the British pound. British pound is resisting. And I think it's going to be a stronger currency within this week and next week. So I would expect that it would actually hold some of those levels, either 138 or slightly lower. I think, yeah, here or one of those levels, I think. So I wouldn't recommend any short positions on the British pound, given the fact that the Bank of England is getting more hawkish. There will be a lot of data from the UK this week, and that we have the Bank of England decision next week, I wouldn't recommend positions on the British pound, at least not short positions, given the fact that the US dollar is strong enough. So that's my analysis. No position today on pound dollar. I hope you like this review. Please give your comments, give your likes, so that YouTube knows that these videos are interesting. And subscribe to the channel in order not to miss the following videos. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.